7th Samachir Max exercise 2.2, you are going to learn about rhombus. Rhombus is similar to that of the square. It is the same shape as that of a square, but only the diagonal's length will be different. That is the difference between the square and a rhombus. In a rhombus, the diagonals will be equal, whereas in a square the diagonals will be equal, whereas in a rhombus the diagonals will be of different length. Here in this diagonal is 8, here it is 16, like that. The diagonals will differ in a rhombus, whereas in a square the diagonals will be the same. Diagonals means the line which is touching the opposite vertices. Here it is P and R. It is touching the vertices, means these are said to be a diagonal. Here in this sum, SQ is the diagonal, PR is the diagonal. SQ is a diagonal, PR is another diagonal. Like that, diagonals means it cuts the two opposite vertices. So now we are going to find the area of a rhombus. So we must know the formula for finding out the area of a rhombus. It is area of rhombus is equal to half into d1 into d2 square units. d1 into d2 square units. So area of rhombus is half into d1 into d2 square units, where d1 is your diagonal, first diagonal, and d2 is your second diagonal. So using this formula, you are going to find out what is the area of a rhombus. So area of a rhombus is asked in this sum. So area of a rhombus is equal to, write the formula first. Area of the rhombus is equal to half into d1 into d2. So it is equal to half into your d1 is given as 8, your d2 is given as 16. So d1 into d2. So you can cancel 4 times. This is 1 time. 16 into 4 is 64 centimeter square. So whatever units is given, you have to write square. I will show you the multiplication. 16 into 4. 6 4s are 24. Carry over 2. 1 4 is 4 plus 2 is 6. So your value is 64 square units. Coming to the next sum. Here they have given here base and height. So base and height is given means you have to use the formula of that of a parallelogram. Even though it is a rhombus, here as height and base is given for you, use that formula. So you know this is your second subdivision. So area of rhombus, it is similar that the formula is given for that of a parallelogram. So you will use that formula. It is equal to base into height. It is equal to, here it is shape of a parallelogram. Right here. Okay, parallelogram. It is equal to 11 into 15. 11 into 15. It is equal to 15 into 11. I am multiplying here. 1 5 is 5. 1. 1 5 is 5. 1. So 165. So your value is 165 centimeter square. So second sum, area of a rhombus whose base is equal to 14 and height is equal to 9 centimeter. So this is your formula question given for you. This here also same way. Base and height is given. So you will use area of a parallelogram formula. Area of, but you will write area of a rhombus because it is given under rhombus problem. So you will write in your bracket it is parallelogram. But as base and height is given, you will use that formula only. So it is equal to base into height is equal to 14 into 9. It is equal to multiply 14 9. 9 4s are 36. 3 1 9 is 9 plus 3 is 12. So it is equal to 126 centimeter square. Now your third sum, they have given you missing values. It is actually given in a box diagram, box sum. I am writing the values alone here. Diagonal, first diagonal is given as d1. It is equal to 19 centimeter. Your d2 is given as 16 centimeter. So they have asked you to find out the area. Same method only. Area of rhombus is equal to base into height. It is equal to half into d1 into d2. Here diagonals are given, so you will use that formula. So half into 19 into 16. So cancel 19, it says 2 and 16. So this is 1 time, this is 8 times. So you will multiply 19 into 8 has to be multiplied. I will write the multiplication here. 9 8s are 72. 1 8 is 8 plus 7 is 15. So value is 152 centimeter square. So this is your area of a rhombus. For the second sum, this is your first subdivision. Second subdivision is diagonal. D1 is given as 26 meter. Area is given for you here. Area is equal to 468 square meter. You are supposed to find out D2. D2 means second diagonal value you are supposed to find out. So already you know the formula. Area of rhombus is equal to half into d1 into d2. So it is equal to half into, you know d1 alone, so 26 into d2, you don't know, write d2, but you know the area, so area value is what, 468. So cancel this 13, so 13 d2 is equal to 468. So what is it, d2 is equal to, d2 is equal to d2 is equal to 468 divided by 13. See here you have 468 is equal to 13 d2. So d2 is equal to what, 468. Bring this 13 down. 460 divided by 13. 468 divided by 13. So you can divide 468 divided by 13. You know 13 3s are 39. So 78. So 13 into 6 will give you 78. So it is 6 times. So 78. Remainder 0. So what's your value of your d2? d2 is 36 meter, because it is given as, that is your second diagonal is equal to 36 meter. So third subdivision, here diagonal d1 is asked for you, d2 is equal to 12 millimeter and your area is equal to 180 millimeter square. So now you can find out the formula, right? Area of rhombus is equal to half into d1 into d2. Rhombus value is given as 180. It is equal to half into d1 is not known for you, d1, d2 is 12. So you can cancel, 12 means 6. So 180 is equal to 6 d1. So d1 is equal to what, 180. Bring the 6 down, divided by 6. So this is how many times, 30 times. So your d1 is equal to 30. You know 6 3s are 18. So I am cancelling this 3 times. 0 I am putting as it is. So your d1 is equal to 30 millimeter. Because the unit is given as millimeter, you can write it as millimeter.